Mexico! Yeah! What's up, guys? We are back. Day 4. Day 4, we have qualifier 4 coming up. Last night was actually qualifier 3. We'll probably get that in the next hour and a half to 2 hours, make a couple of hits, and just kind of go from there.
Looks like we're on crunch time over here.
Always. I mean, we're here, we're gonna do it, see what we can do. Might see something special today, might not. Who knows? We're gonna have a good time regardless. The vibes, immaculate.
How are you feeling as the car's starting to come together?
I always feel jittery every day until the first hit, so. The car's been working, it's been doing what it needs to do. It just needs to do what it's doing faster. So, things being plugged in is important. Looks like it's all together. Fixed the meth kit as well. If it does what it does, then we might have a new PB, maybe, you know, move up the ladder. So let's give it a shot. We'll talk more in the lanes. Didn't exactly go as planned. My routine got fucked up, and I was a noob, and I didn't put the car back in first after the burnout. Usually I'll roll past a tree, put the car in reverse, line up, and go shift down, and we're good. Well, since I didn't roll past the tree because there were some inconsiderate people in front of us, it kind of fucked up my whole routine. Trans brake doesn't work in second gear, obviously, so kind of a wasted run. We topped off the fuel as soon as they call us for quarter 5, the final one. We're gonna go out there and see what it does.
Cleared, please.
Yeah, because you were driving.
A little touch up on the racing service, and we got Grand Racing 6 shift coming up. But real quick, want to wish you a happy
311-470-155-117. That's it there. That's it.
Check us out.
We're there somewhere.
Oh, it is.
Okay, so not as fast as we wanted to go, but progress, and I'll take it. So we got some adjustments I think we can make. We picked up 3 miles per hour. I mean, that's good. This same setup without this extra weight, I promise we'll go 7-0. Room for improvement. I think this puts us in a decent spot, and you know, hopefully we can be competitive tomorrow. Day 4. Been a long fucking day from getting the car fixed, fixing minor issues, me being a dumbass, not putting it back in first, to running a new personal best. It's been a fucking roller coaster of a day. I was sad, now I'm happy. So as long as everything looks good, we can keep trying to turn it up and see what it'll do at this heavy weight. So stay tuned. Day 5.
Start heading that way.
Headed to Eliminations. First round is versus a Camaro. Should be a good run.
How about some more enthusiasm?
I'm tired, bro. Been here fucking 6 days.
All right,
almost.
so here we go.
Let's go, Astros!
Yes, sir, baby. H-Town, hold it down.
It'd be cooler if you wore one that fits you. Hold it down.
So, Aldo, is there any specific strategy we're gonna have going into this run?
Nah, man. I think put down the pass that we've been hitting every time. And we're gonna be good.
I like that jersey, baby.
Got to, boy. I haven't washed this jersey since the beginning of the season. See if it'll help here.
Yeah, I think we got it figured out. I'll let you know though. We'll try.
Good luck, man.
He said no wheelies, right? I know.
Certified badass.
I already knew that though.
Baby, I fucking love it. What I tell you,
How about that tree?
Oh, baby, what I tell you? What I tell you?
Yeah. What's up?
Congrats, man. That was
that bitch is fucking flying, bro. Hey, I knew as soon as the Lexan kicked in earlier, I was like, oh, we're on a fucking pass. We're on a fucking pass. If it's there, I'm gonna fucking use it. I don't know when I grabbed it, but I fucking grabbed it.
That on there, baby. That on there. If we go 299, we're going 689. You hear me?
You know what's funny? If they would have said yes, I would have gone in with you on that bet.
I was hoping that one of the older guys was like, nah, fuck that 100 and bet 500. And then, but no, it didn't work. It played out a lot differently in my head.
That's how my life works.
So is that a new PB?
New PB, new S550 IRS record, new Ford ECU fucking record. I mean, it's there.
Although I would ask how you feel about that, but I think your reaction said it all.
Definitely been fucking chasing that, bro. To me, that's a huge accomplishment, man. Like, it's at weight, we're flying fast, we're going around, bro. Look at the difference on how Brian was before that fucking pass to now. You know what I mean? Like, that's what does it for me, bro. Obviously, you know, we're from Houston. Wrecked the car Thursday night testing before World Cup. Couldn't figure out why we wrecked it. Fixing it, found a body shop, a friend of ours, they fixed the body. I mean, airbags were open, everything.
What day was that?
On Thursday last week, Thursday night.
Okay.
Right, we're supposed to leave Monday. Then brought it back to my place, fucking, I rebuilt the coolant tank thinking, you know, maybe it's pushing coolant, which it was, pushing coolant, rebuilt the tank, did a bunch of shit because we broke
Robot exhibition, the lane
rear
3,
rotor,
please. Robot
wheels,
exhibition, lane 3.
suspension component. So we bent that ram. So we put another set of wheels on it, new set of front wheels, did the coolant tank, looked over everything, fixed a few things on it, got it done, brought it out here, got here Wednesday night, we ran one hit, saw coolant pressure. Coolant pressure. Once we saw the coolant pressure matching the boost pressure, we said, fuck it, swap the motor. So we swapped the motor Wednesday night.
Swap the motor
Wednesday night here.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Right here.
By Thursday, Q1, we were ready to go. And went 728, first hit with the new motor. TKM power.
So, quarter eliminations, round 2. We got Christine again. We ran her in testing. It was a good race. I think I got her by a little bit, so I got to be on my shit. But that's a fast car. It went over 205, so got to be on my P's and Q's. Hey, Kyle.
Nice work. Fucking awesome. I heard earlier you had some drama before this race.
Man, so Thursday before we left, I think if we can cut a good light, it'd be a good run. I mean, Christine's a hell of a racer, so nothing but respect.
You're both right around the same ET.
Yeah. So I think it's gonna come down to the tree, and you know, good luck to her, and we'll just see what happens.
Drag race.
Yeah, it's a drag race.
Good luck, Brian.
Thanks, Kyle.
Congrats.
Are you excited?
Love that, of course. We've never been past first round of anything.
How you feeling, Aldo?
Feeling good, feeling confident. I think we're gonna do something. All right, this, bro.
Ran a 677, brother. That's awesome.
I seen it. I was like, either the boost control, they just turned the boost controller and said yes. Or something.
Alright, let's go home.
No, we're gonna go to Ada. Now we're gonna go to Ada.
Load her up. Going back to H-Town, baby. Heads up high, though. Heads up high.
Because the Astros still won the World Series.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You boys like Mexico?